Never happened before. Did you come yet? To a chap in a pub the other day, I don't think I could be eating that vegan stuff. You know, I'm a manly man. We need our protein. Well, I hear what you're saying, but I'm rather partial to a vegan sausage. Are you ready? We're going to get into the groove because you like good food, good food, good food, good food. This is where you come, this is where you come. This is where you come when you want good food, when you want good food, when you want good food. This is where you come, this is where you come. This is where you come, this is where you come. So people always ask me, where do I get my protein? Well, you see, I get it from plants. Instead of eating the animals that hate the plants, so I kind of cut out the middleman, and there's less suffering, and there's less meat being driven around in farms. So people always ask me, what about vitamin B12? Well, you see, the animal that you eat has only got vitamin B12 because it is given supplements too. Well, you don't have to do that, you see, because the animals eat all the stuff, and then you eat the animals, but all the stuff hasn't got stuff in it anymore, so you can't. So you have to have a supplemented animal. Why not just eat plants and take the vitamin B12? You can get this thing called louche. It's rather tasty. In fact, I like it on everything, including pastry. So, ready for a VGASM, darling? If you want good food, if you want good food, if you want good food. I'd say, if you want good food, you should probably come to VGASM. VGASM. Many times.